So, Hannah, you really think the world is going to be destroyed by extreme weather?
Interested in global warming, these young people are.
Yeah, and it's going to be worldwide. The whole Earth is going to freeze. I don't know. The part that worries me is, what about all of those poor people in the region our EnviroSci friend was talking about? What are they going to do about food and water? And what was he talking about when he said that Spanish current thing? There must be something we can do about all of this.
Something you can do about this, there is! A lifetime poring over books I have. The magic snow globe you must find and reverse the weather changes you will.
But where do we find this snow globe?
To the threatened places you must travel. New York! To New York you must go!
Let's go get Brenda. She should come too.
Wow. New York's pretty big.
Hot dogs! Get your fresh, juicy hot dogs! Hey! Maybe this guy will know something about the snow globe. Hey! Mister! How can I help you, kid? We ran into this crazy guy who told us we would all die with global warming and that to fix it, we should go to New York. I don't know too much about global warming, but I can tell you this. Don't let those big Hollywood Earth catastrophe movies scare you. A lot of them start out with some science behind them, but then just get out of control. But they have ice ages and hurricanes and everything. Do you think that could ever happen? A lot of those big storms could never happen in real life. And even if the Earth's climate did change, it would happen over years, not days.
You're saying it's impossible for the Earth's weather to change and nothing bad will ever happen?
No, not exactly. It is true that global warming can affect the Earth's temperature, which can impact the environment and change things like ocean currents. But it's important to do your research on global warming and find out exactly what the scientists say. Would a big city like New York be hurt by a storm? These big storms are very destructive. Even cities with lots of money can still be damaged. It helps to be a little richer when you have to face superstorms and extreme weather. Without money, you can't build up your city to protect it from damage. And you can help people if they're hurt or hungry.
Well, thanks, mister. You've been really helpful.
Anytime. So where did this crazy guy tell you to go next?
We're not sure, but I think we should look at changing weather patterns.
You should try the Sahara region in Africa. There are helpful gazelles there.
To Africa!
We're here. Hey! It's the gazelles the hot dog man was talking about. Hey! Gazelles!
Have you noticed any changes in the weather around here lately?
There's a drought, which means not enough rain falls to grow enough food for the people and animals who live here.
What's causing it? It might be because of the warmer water temperature.
Thanks to you humans.
That's causing rain clouds to move south of this region, where we need that water.
Is your home the only place affected by changes in the water temperature?
I doubt it. If I were you, I'd travel to Peru and find out about El Nino.
So, Peru's pretty nice. Where are we supposed to find this person, though? Want to go for a swim while we wait?
Okay!
Hey, you can't swim there! That's a fishing and boat dock area.
Oh, sorry. Hey, maybe you can help us. We're looking for someone called El Nino?
El Nino's not a person.
Really? What is it then?
El Nino is the name for a regular weather event. What happens is the wind that usually goes from east to west are slowed or sometimes reversed. It happens every few years. In years that it's really strong, there's fewer fish to catch.
Wait, how could winds affect fish?
Wind affects water currents, and when El Nino happens, the ocean's water doesn't move the same way, and there's fewer nutrients for the fish. Less to eat, fewer fish live.
Does global warming affect El Nino?
Sure does. It makes El Nino happen more frequently and severely. That's why we haven't been able to catch as many fish recently. Remember, no swimming.
Bye!
That was interesting and all, but what do you have to do with superstorms?
Hey guys!
doing here?
I'm going to answer Hannah's question. When El Nino happens, hurricanes are less severe. So if El Nino decreases in frequency, it may increase the intensity of hurricanes, creating huge storms. Some scientists think global warming has changed El Nino patterns. Some say no, some say it's become more frequent, some say it's become less frequent.
So what you're saying is that we just don't know what's happening?
Yep, pretty much.
I'm confused. Me too. Let's go home.
So I guess we never found that snow globe.
No, but that's okay. I was thinking about it on the plane and we learned a lot.
Like, a global superstorm is sort of possible, but not a for sure thing.
And that there are a lot of things we just don't know. But I still think we should try to do something in case those bad things really can happen.
Yeah, we just have to remember that the really bad stuff could happen, but they're not super likely.
But I wonder what kinds of things we could do. What can I do?
Let's find out!
I love you, Ed!
Hey, where'd Brenda go?
Where's Brenda? Oh, okay.